only they all started that easily, I tell you. So you can see here now, hit, 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 miss. So that's the governor kicking in. The boom you can hear is just that this is a big box, so when it fires, it actually resonates through the box. A lot of people don't believe this engine will run until they actually see it running, because it doesn't look like it should work. Any questions? Yeah, you can see it working.
Was it successful with taking Buster? I mean, did they sell them?
They didn't sell them, but the problem was that you needed a bigger engine for the same horsepower, so they were expensive.
Less efficient to run as well.
And it was only if you really didn't want to buy something off Crosby Brothers that you bought something else instead. The fact that only 2 survived says pretty much how many were out there.
Yeah.
It doesn't help, we've had 2 world wars, so as a result of a lot of scrap, things that would have survived, then be melted down to the war effort, so... Yeah.